Oh, hello guys. We have a refrigerator gallery, refrigerator side by side, freezer on the left here. The complaint is that is freezer is leaking. And right about here. And let's see what the problem here is. I already start taking food apart. We have this mountain of ice at the bottom here. Let me explain you why. Is because there's a can't really see here through the grate, but there's a drain line there that is clogged usually, and the water is supposed to drain and evaporate by the compressor. It just keeps mounting here. Look at all this food here. It's gonna take me a little effort to get this out. Eventually we're gonna take this panel off, clear the drain line. It would be nice to pull the fridge out just to make sure the drain line is all clear and the water is running into the pan. This fridge is pretty stuck there. Something is wrong with the legs. I think they took the legs off to get the height, although it looks like some clearance there. So basically there's like a little nipple in the back on the drain line, and it gets full of dust and the water starts backing up. What I do usually, I cut a little bigger hole in the nipple so the water runs out easier. Also, you can run a little, you can see the heater there. That black thing is the heater. Basically you wrap around the copper wire and you run it into the drain hole, and that keeps it from freezing over. In this particular design, it's not very necessary. More important is to clear the nipple on the drain line. Basically, when you take a back cover of the refrigerator compressor, you can see a drain pipe that goes into this little pan, or sometimes it's just a short little rubber nipple on there. So I'm gonna get on it. I'm gonna get this ice out, and then I'll film a little bit more what I'm gonna do from the inside here to clear it. So we're gonna clear the shelves. Basically, this works. You just slide those over to the left, and then they pull out. You're gonna have to get these guys off. A couple screws here. Make sure you put left to left, right to right, otherwise it'll be confusing. And here we're just gonna dump a lot of hot water. And I don't want to be chiseling too hard. The best way would be is just unplug it for a couple days, let it thaw out. This is kind of extreme case, and I'm here to fix it. So I'm gonna do it the old-fashioned way with hot water and towels. See how far we get. So I got pretty lucky. Everything came out in one big piece. I thought it was going to be a couple hours of chiseling. Alright, we got the screws out. We're going to take this panel off. So here's the heater. And we have quite a bit of water here. So anyway, there's a drain line behind this block of ice. I'll try to get to that. And we're getting closer. So usually I don't recommend chiseling ice, especially the plastic on the sides can be damaged really easy. Also, if your coils are frozen, you never want to chisel through the evaporator lines. In this case, evaporator is free, so I was able to raise this thing up, cut it in half, and here it is. This is the drain line. Just gotta use a turkey baster, put some hot water in it, get that line clear, and getting closer. So here's the water line here. Taking a little bit of hot water. Around the square. There you go, line is clear, water is running in. Just gotta, I'm gonna put a little heater extension from here to here, run a copper line, like about an inch or two into the drain line, so it keeps it warm and the water doesn't freeze going in. Okay, so we got the ice out of here. The line is cleared. Now we gotta fix it so it doesn't come back. Most side-by-side fridges, the problem really starts from the debris buildup, dust and water sediment in the rubber nipple, and usually it's good to clean that nipple very well. And this one, I'm gonna blow it out with the compressed air, since it's really hard to get this fridge out because it has no legs, and I don't want to scratch the laminate. So I'm gonna do my repair from the outside here. And so this is the copper wire we're gonna run into. We want to hook it on the heater. And wrap it around tightly, and that should keep the drain line warm. And that's it. Collect it back together, and it should not come back, this problem, anymore. Thanks for watching. Alright, things are back together, so it should not happen again. A little cleanup, put things back together to its order, and just wanted to tell you that pretty common on the side-by-sides. This problem also on the top freezer ones, and actually all the newer fridges come out with some kind of heater extension already in place. Pretty easy to do yourself if you know what you're doing. If you like the video, give us thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. We'll post some more easy fixes you can do at home. And thanks for watching. Just want to tell you, I really like this light. It's always a problem getting enough light in a fridge when you're working on it, especially when it's unplugged. Headlamp is good, but this guy mounts anywhere. It's a Cyclops rechargeable micro USB. Lasts for quite a while. Has 2-3 different settings. Swivel. I used to use this guy, and it's really nice, but not always you can put it to get the good angle, although I really like it. Also have a headlamp, which is great, but this thing lights up like it's a daytime. So I'm gonna put a link to get one on Amazon if you guys want it. Tell me what you think in comments, and peace. myappliancefixed.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye bye.